Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary, also known as Feel Good Finds on Instagram, and I'm an online reseller who's been selling women's apparel on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So I've been documenting my journey on Instagram since about 2016, and I thought it was about damn time I brought it over to the YouTube world. So here I am. If you are coming from Instagram and clicked on to tune into this video, thank you so much for your support. It means so much that you guys are following along to see what I'm up to here on YouTube. For today's video, I thought it would be perfect to give you guys 5 places to source from so you can get started reselling today. Number 1 is clean your closet. I feel like that sounds a little bit obvious, but that's actually how I started reselling back in 2016. I thought I had way too many things in my closet, a lot of clothes that I didn't wear, things that I didn't use around my house. I thought it was perfect to list those items, and to my surprise I found that a lot of these things actually had value, and I figured somebody would use it as opposed to sitting in my closet. So my recommendation is start cleaning your closet, go from the front to the back of your house, don't forget your garage, and you're guaranteed to find something there to flip. And the best part about it is that you're starting with 0 cost and you are flipping those profits right back into your business. Number 2 is ask a friend. We all have friends who are constantly cleaning their homes or are doing spring cleaning here and there, and that would be a perfect opportunity to get items from them that they would donate otherwise. I recently had a friend who moved and she was cleaning her entire closet. She thought of me, of course, and she came home, knocked, and brought a bunch of boxes and bags for me to resell, and she said I could keep the profits. So that's an even better way to do it. So number 3 is thrifting. Hit up your local thrift stores. Thrifting and I go way back, and it's actually one of my favorite ways to source. My sisters and I used to thrift when we were little, and so it became so natural for me to go through the racks at thrift stores and see what I could flip. One of my other favorite things about thrift stores is that they mostly offer discounts on top of discounts. I mean, who doesn't want discounts? So we're talking 50% off days. Some places have 50% off a certain color. Some thrift stores give you 50% off coupons, 25% coupons if you donate. Some even have loyalty programs. That's even an additional discount on top of what you're buying. So I feel like thrift stores really have potential when it comes to finding things to source, and I'm sure you have one near you. Number 4, download any of these apps: Nextdoor, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. These places allow you to search, narrow down your local area to see what items are around you and see what people are getting rid of, what people are selling for a low price. And I've actually had very good luck on the app Nextdoor that I feel is underrated sometimes. There is where a lot of your neighbors post things that they're cleaning out or getting rid of a lot of things. Some are free, some at a very, very low cost. So I've actually picked up a few things from there and was able to sell them on eBay. You have to remember that not everybody's a reseller, so a lot of people are just trying to get rid of things at a low price. So if you're there and you're ready to pick up, that's a plus, and that is one thing you can add on to your store. Number 5, check out your local retail store clearance. Most of them have aisles or end caps where they have discounted, deeply discounted items for so low. So we're talking Ross, CVS, Walmart, Target, Home Goods, all of the big department stores that have a clearance section. You can go on there and double check and see what else they have that you can flip, because there's a lot of discounted items that you would be surprised to find and do actually resell for more online. And a bonus for you guys is garage sailing. So if you're lucky enough to live in a place where you have garage sales year round, that's awesome, and definitely take advantage of those. That is a great place to start sourcing and a good place to negotiate, because those prices are usually pretty flexible depending on the seller. You have to also remember that people are trying to get rid of things there, so they don't want to bring it back into their house. So that's a really good place to haggle and negotiate for a better price. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Thank you for your support. And if you have any questions, let me know. Drop them down in the comments below, and let me know if you tried any of these, if you prefer one over the other. My favorite would always be thrifting. As a matter of fact, I'm about to go thrifting today. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you again.